Archdeacon Christian Glasgow, chair of the Saint Lucia Christian Council, offered nuggets of hope in his latest address amid a downcast sentiment about the current state of the world due to global challenges and conflicts. Glasgow, who presented the fourth week of Lent reflection message, argued the current situation on the island, including the spike in criminal activity and vehicular incidents, gives one a sense of doom and gloom.
Here in Saint Lucia, we find conditions that lead to similar feelings and concerns, be it in the crime and violence situation, the moral decadence, the vitriol of the political arena, or the lawlessness one experiences on public roads. We note a great shift away from a God reference in the life of this nation, which raises concerns and even a sense of hopelessness among some people.
Glasgow referenced the biblical parable of the prodigal son in Luke to symbolize God's unconditional love and forgiveness.
When this passage is spoken about, most time emphasis is placed on the action of the son who left the comfort and safety of his father's household. A renaming, as is being suggested, takes into consideration the concerns of both sons and places in the spotlight the all-encompassing beneficence of the Father. God, the restorer of hope, the renewer of hearts.
The chair of the Saint Lucia Christian Council contended that no matter the degree of hopelessness, the divine is always willing to welcome lost souls back home.
The Christian Council invites us all, in whatever condition we find ourselves, whatever challenges we are facing, regardless the degree of hopelessness, to accept the invitation of Jesus to come to him. The hymn writer puts it aptly. All ye who seek for sure relief in trouble and distress, whatever sorrow vex the mind or guilt the soul oppress, Jesus, who gave himself for you upon the cross to die, opens to you his sacred heart, or to that heart draw nigh.
Christians commenced the 2025 Lenten season on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025, under the theme, quote, Pilgrims of Hope on a Journey of Healing and Reconciliation, end quote. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.